Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use function offset in Excel to get data. Here is a fictitious list of car sales by brand and by month. And I wanted to find out total sales of a given car brand and a given month. Here I use the function offset, which over here is showing how to write this function. So reference, rows, columns, height, and width. And note that the last two, which is the height and the width, are optional. The height meaning the columns, the height of the columns, how many columns. Height is height is in rows, width is in columns. So combined with the functions SUMIF and match, I can calculate the total sales of, for example, just pick BMW and in the month of March. So let's look at this formula here. It's a combination of, first of all, I have to use SUMIF because I have to add up the total by brand and by month. So here's, you can see highlighted in blue are the sum range for the function SUMIF, and F34 is the criteria right here, looking at the criteria, which is BMW in here. And then the offset function in here is actually showing the reference here, which is B6 highlighted in purple, and 1 is actually the row 1, right? Because right here, row 1. Then I have to use the function match in order to pick the actually the column, right? So the match function G34 is looking at right here, G34 highlighted in green, and then it's gonna match this, right, with this right here, which is kind of like pink. And then the 0 in the function match is trying to find the exact match. Then the 1 is actually the optional height and the width. So in other words, going back to the offset function, it's going to show the row number 1, and then also the column right here, right? Column right here, March, which is column, the column number right here. Then the SUMIF is going to add up with this over here. So let's try to look at to see if this is correct. For BMW for the month of March, right here, this column here, I have 78, and then going down here, I have 146. So this right here, I'm not sure if you can see it, is the sum 224, which is what I have here. Now let's try another one to make sure that this one is working fine. So let's go with VW in the month of April. So I show 130, right? So April, VW right here, 63. Another VW, which is 67. That gives me a total 130. So this really works out fine and wraps up my presentation for today. If you like it, don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye now.